is your mom's hair. You'll be amazed when I come in your hair.
Pull off the anchor, cause we're leaving dry land. Get below deck with a tip in your hand. Anchors away and shiver me timbers. We like to fuck ladies with our 8-inch members.
Love me hookers who be a cabbie. Ain't had lemons and limes so can catch it the scabby.
Drop the anchor, give that hoe a shout.
Cause I'm using my compass to find a narrow